Hi.
Hi, I thanks to Minister sir and Rupali Burus ma'am that they recommend me to come to Khalsa College. The best thing is that here we get varieties of foods, and then in here we can take help from everyone. We can take for help everyone. Then everybody. The best thing is that there is no ragging in this college, so I recommended to come here this college.
And how's the placement and all?
Placement is good.
Okay. And you like the Punjabi food out here?
Yeah, I liked.
You like the what food? Punjabi foods and
Here, every in every states of foods we get to eat, and many dishes is there to have. You can come here.